say 20 years ago, codes were different. Today, repairs must meet current standards, and that means higher costs. I'm Scott with Insurance Claim Recovery Support Public Adjusters. Most property owners don't realize their policy may include ordinance or law coverage. That's the part that pays for code required upgrades. Things like ADA compliance, electrical changes, fire suppression systems, or energy efficiency requirements that can add tens of thousands of dollars to your rebuild. If those costs aren't documented properly, the carrier won't pay. We make sure every triggered upgrade is identified, justified, and backed by the code itself. Don't leave money on the table because of outdated building specifications. Contact us now. Insurance companies have experts working for them. You should too.